Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Bukola Ri. I'm a lifestyle vlogger and I make videos from Italy. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy recipe. I'll be showing you how to make spaghetti with seafood. This is a very quick recipe and I'll be using frozen seafood. As you can see, I have my lemon here. I will just be using half of the lemon. This lemon will be replacing my wine. Some people prefer using white wine, but I just want to use lemon. This my onion, I'll be using half of it as well. My frozen parsley, we call it prezzemolo here. Frozen parsley. My pasta, the spaghetti, pasta spice. Parsley is the dried parsley, garlic and black pepper. I'll also be using salt. You don't need a lot of ingredients to make this recipe, so let's get started. To prepare this recipe, the first thing I do is put in a pot of water on fire to cook my pasta. In the meantime, I chop my half onion and set it aside for the seafood sauce. My water is boiling already, so I add salt into the water. I prefer adding salt while it's boiling. Then later add my spaghetti. I'll just be needing half of this. So I don't usually break my spaghetti. I prefer cooking my spaghetti like this. This is because I love eating my spaghetti by spinning my fork. So my spaghetti is al dente, it's not totally cooked. So I'll be draining it and leaving some of the water because I'll be needing it for my seafood sauce. To prepare my seafood sauce, I'll be adding a little olive oil in my pan. Then my chopped onions and a little black pepper. Afterwards, I add my defrost seafood. Make sure you add the liquid from the frozen seafood. It is used to create a tasty sauce. You don't have to necessarily defrost your fish. You can cook it when it's still frozen. So I'll be adding my garlic powder, my black pepper, and frozen parsley. You had like about 1 spoon. Then I decided to add a little chili pepper. You know, Africans on pepper. And salt. Not too much. Then I had my pasta spice. This spice is made specially for pasta. It gives the pasta a delicious taste. You don't have to add seasoning cubes to this recipe. All you need is salt, and your seafood is tasty already. So just add your salt, your spices, and that's enough. So I'm finally adding this liquid I got from my pasta. That's the water I used in preparing my pasta. Now I'll be squeezing my lemon into my spaghetti. The lemon gives it a delicate flavor. You really need to try this. You really need to. Our seafood spaghetti is finally ready. It looks so yummy and it tastes yummy as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.